నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Prachetasas heard so many great divine miraculous Paramatma's stories from Narada Maharshi. And after that, Narada Maharshi Yayau Svayambhuvo Munihi, he went back to Brahmalokam. After that, Prachetasas started meditating upon the great teachings of Narada Maharshi, and Prachetasas engaged their mind upon Divya Sri Charanaravindas, the divine lotus feet of Paramatma Sriman Narayana, and they did tapasya, and finally they attained Vishnu Lokam. Like that, Maitreya told about Prachetasas to Vidura. Now Sri Sukha Yogindra telling all these things to Parikshit Narendra, and also saying that, O Raja Parikshit Narendra, now I am going to tell you about the second son of Swayambhuva Manuvu. His name is Priyavrata. So what happened is, after hearing all these great things from Maitreya, Vidura felt so happy with great content. Pravruddha bhavaha asru kalakulo munehe. Now after hearing all the great stories of Paramatma from Maitreya, Vidura having a great amount of affection, love towards Paramatma, and with that happy, tears filled up within the eyes, he went back to Hastina. He kept Paramatma's divine feet and his Acharya's, Maitreya's divine feet in his heart and went back to Hastina. O Parikshit Narendra, so those Prachetasas, their mind was constantly engaged in Sriman Narayana. Now I am telling you, those who listens to the story of these Prachetasas, they will attain Ayurdhanam Yasaha Swastigatam Aisvaryam Apnuyat. They will get long life, they will get all kind of riches, they will get all kind of auspiciousness, and finally they will attain Sri Vaikuntham. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshit Narendra. With this, Chaturdha Skandham is completed. Tomorrow onwards we are going to be starting Panchama Skandham, 5th Skandham. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.